Hi. Take all of your savings out. Never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on.
Hey yo, this is my day 3 of the trip, and today I took the bus from Gokarna and I have reached. I'm in Mulki right now, and I took the bus at around 10ish a.m. and I reached here by 3 p.m. So it's like I had such a bad start of the day today. Like my bus was supposed to start at 8, and then the Gokarna crossroad where the bus stop is to my hostel, which is like some 12 to 13 kilometers away. That takes about half an hour, like one way trip by an auto. And auto guys, they charge you like some 500 to 600 rupees per ride. I reached there at 8, before 8. I called the bus driver guy, and he was like, the bus is actually at 11 that they're going to reach here. Like shit, what do I do for like the next 3 hours? There was a restaurant, veg restaurant over there, but I didn't really want to go there. I was like, what will I even do for 3 hours? And since I met this really sweet person back in the hostel, and she was going to be there, so I was like, let's go back and then let's come back again when the bus comes. So like while on my way back, I was texting her that let's have breakfast together, my bus got delayed and all. Then we were going to the beach, which was like a very small hike from our hostel itself, and just right in the middle of it, the bus driver called, and he was like, we'll be there by 9:45 a.m. And I was like, I don't have enough time right now. Like, what is this? Why did I make such a stupid decision? I was like, okay, then like from that middle of the hike, we came back to the hostel. I took my stuff, and then the auto driver guy who dropped me till the hostel from the Gokarna Crossroad bus stop. I took his number, and anyways, he came by like 9:30, 9:30, I guess. Oh no, not 9:30. My bad. Around 9:45. Yeah. And the girl was also waiting for me, and like she was there to like be calm, and then so that driver called the bus driver, but yeah, so he called the bus driver, and then he was just like, okay, abhi hai time, and then I reached there by 10:15ish, 10:20ish, I guess. And I sat on the bus. And that was a non-AC bus, and it was like peak afternoon time. I chose the 8 a.m. time because why not? Because like 8 a.m. it was still a bit colder, better, and I would have reached here in Mulki by 12ish. But no, God has always other plans. So yeah, I reached here by 3, and then when I saw the homestay, it's really nice, the owner and whosoever people who are staying here. So like when I arrived, those guys were like planning to go out to some other beach or something. So right now I am alone. Yes, I think they'll be back in some time. And meanwhile, I also like just showered. I showered, and then I went to some cafe that was part of that Indica surfing school. So I went to there. I checked out their thing also. That was a really nice place, to be honest. I really like this village now. So yeah, tomorrow my surfing school starts, and my surfing school is Kayak Boys. It's about 1.5 kilometers from here. So this dorm I only booked for tonight because today was like a buffer day. I thought I didn't have any bookings for today, okay, and then I just came here. But overall, it's been a decentish day. I think I'm only going to read my book today, and that is all what I'm gonna do. There's so much to talk about. It's not like this trip is life changing. It's not. It wasn't that intentional, also. I just wanted to do it to make that dream of the 19-year-old me true. I just wanted that to happen, and that's the only major reason that I came here, and that is all. Hi. बिल्कुल फर्स्ट टाइम मैं ज़रूर
Like fish वगैरह I don't know. I used to eat them. तो मुझे लगा एयरपोर्ट
हाँ Hi, am I visible? I hope so. Can you imagine? This was my first day. Actually, second day in Mulki, but my first day at surfing school. This is Kayak Boys. I couldn't have had a day worse than this. First day, I arrived here all excited. Not excited actually, I was very neutral. And I came here and I was doing my check-in and all. And the guy in the reception, he scanned my QR code, and then I realized that I didn't realize actually. The guy told me that आपने नवंबर का बुक किया था क्या? And then I checked it, and then I was like, oh shit, the same exact dates but for November 24 to 28th. How come I never realized that this was my booking? I booked for a female dom, but oh my god, this is anyways. So like our classes, at least for all the new ones for today, it was supposed to be like from 12:30, so like I had time. So we were all just I was just waiting that they can just find some accommodation, some sort of a cancellation or something. And then they did, and it was for a tent, but it's like for 3 days only, which is fine I guess, because I died today in surfing. Like, oh my god, at first, just within just 10 seconds of me entering into the ocean, I lost my glasses to the ocean, to the sea, and to the sea basically. And well, and then I have lost every bit of arm strength that I would have had in the very first wave, as the first wave hit me. Like, I can't do this. I wasn't even able to pick the and like hold the surfboard and just carry it. I have lost my arm strength like completely. It's hurting. It was just the first day. Oh, how the surfing went like. I couldn't pop up, and like the number of times I've fallen today. Like the number of times I've fallen today. Oh. I think I saw the entire life in front of my eyes today. And since I've lost my glasses, everything, I was like, okay, I was grateful for the least of the standard. Okay, not even standard. I'm always grateful to be alive. But this time it was like, I'm grateful that I actually am alive. Like, I came out live from these. Obviously, I will be, but oh my god, my arms are gone. Like this arm, it's completely gone somehow. Can you even hear me properly? I can't stand the waves anymore. I just cannot.
मैं पूछा हाँ बोला
क्या बोला मैं क्या
Thank you. माय गॉड, मुझे कल लगा था कि आज तो अच्छे से करूँगी एज इन, हाँ आज तो प्रोग्रेस होना चाहिए यार.
नहीं बट स्टार्ट तो साथ न्यू करोगे.
हाँ मतलब कल तो कुछ खास हुआ नहीं. सो
कौन सा बोर्ड मिला था?
ब्लू वन.
अच्छा
आई थिंक इट्स द हेवीएस्ट वन ही
जो
प्रोवाइड.
ऑरेंज और येलो था वो लाइक लाइटेस्ट है, ग्रीन वाला इंटरमीडिएट है, ब्लू इज हेवीएस्ट वन जैसे.
And just carrying it from the shore till that room, I don't know how many times I would have just dropped it, and those instructors were like कि नीचे मत गिराओ.
बताओ.
It goes by Truly Anjali. Hi, this is my second day, and am I excited? I don't know. This feeling, I don't know. But today will be better. Sure. Hi, my second day. Today was my second day. It was so much better than yesterday. It felt like I was able to do something from the beginning, and then I did so very decent, I would say. It was so good. Okay, someone did record me once. They'll share me. Bro, this was so good. I can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow only now. Hi, today was second day of my surfing, and it was so great. It was awesome, I would say. It was like one of the most beautiful days, I would say. I did it. It was so beautiful. I did it very decently, and I could like stand, which is called like pop-up, and then I could surf till the waves slowed down and then died, and and then I was flipping at the shore side, beach side. So pretty good progress. Yesterday was absolutely nothing. It was like 0 or maybe negative, but this was amazing. Yeah, so I think my glasses are ready. I'm gonna go and pick them up, and then we'll see what we'll do. I'm thinking of going to Udupi because I really want to. I don't know, I don't think so if I'm going to come back here anytime sooner now, or like, yeah, I should check out the places which are nearby, right? And it's like 30 minutes away from here. So yes, let's actually do it. The group I found yesterday, I hope everyone is ready to go. But yeah, let's see. New personality unlocked. What is this? What are these glasses? Yesterday it looked so much better. Swall!
ये वाला पड़ा है
दुनिया की तुम्ही चले तुम्ही कुंतडे तुम्ही बंधू सखा तुम्ही
Even with villains and awful killers, the sinners we never oblivious.
चला गया
I mean, day 3 of my surfing. Wow, my last day also ended today. What? My last surfing session. I just got over it. Oh God. I'll be leaving, I think, in 2.5 hours or 3. Almost 3. Less than 3. Yes. I'll miss this trip. Yes, the end to my ever amazing first ever solo trip. Actually, I wanted to do many more things. My trip got shortened by 2 days, but I think it's okay. I really liked it. But now I'm also very excited to go back to my own space in Hyderabad and be with my friends on important occasions, I guess, which is New Year. Yeah, I want to be with them. So yes, there's that. This was amazing. I can't believe I pulled this off. Seriously, can't believe I pulled this off. What was there anyway? Why was I even scared at the first place? Why was I scared? But well, yeah, nevertheless, lesson learned. I can take that leap of faith, especially on me, and just go for it. I don't have to think about it twice, thrice. I do overthink a lot, and this was one of those decisions to execution that I overthought tons of times, like every single day since I booked it. But this was so worth it. I did so many new things. I surfed, okay? I am not at all a sporty person. I don't do sports, even if I have played like during my school days. But I'm pretty bad at it. But yeah, this was so good. More to come.